I'm back with a quick update for my Triumph Tiger Sport 800 exhaust. We've got the Delkevic headers. So I'm going to install these today. Here is everything that came in the box. This is a 304 stainless header, so it should last the whole life of the bike. All right, so the first step is to remove the stock exhaust. So I'm gonna get that off first. All right, I got the slip-on off, and all that is a 5mm hex and a 12mm. Next up is removing the lower spoiler, and this has two 5mm, and then you slide it forward out of the bracket. Now I'm loosening up the exhaust side port nuts, which there are 6 of those. The oxygen sensor is a 17mm. Okay, as it turns out, I wanted to loosen the radiator to give myself a little bit of wiggle room there, and I had to remove 2 bolts, one on either side, that are these little guys. I also removed these 8mm supports. There's one on the upper and one on the lower. There's one more support, 12mm bolt, and that's back here. And one on this side as well. Undoing those bolts on the radiator made it so that I could have a little bit extra space to get the headers out. All right, here's a quick PSA. I should have realized this before I started, but the stock exhaust will not fit through the center stand. So I had to remove the center stand in order to get that out in one piece. So let's weigh this beast and see how much weight savings we're getting. All right, 16.6 pounds. I've got the side cover off here from the left side of the bike and got the O2 sensor out. It plugs in right here. So Delkevic sent me this pigtail here, and I put the O2 sensor into that, and it does kind of wrap around a little bit and goes into the correct port there. So I'm gonna try to clear the engine light and see if that fixes everything.